Our current topic is similarity. Out of that, the first concept we have studied, that is the ratio of areas of two triangles. Students, we know the formula for area of triangle. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So see the first example from practice set 1.1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. What is the question? Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So very simple and very straightforward question is there. So no triangle names are given here. So let us know the triangle names. You may draw the figures also, or if you not drawn the figure, it's also okay. So consider in triangle ABC. B1 is base for the first triangle, that is 9. H1 is a height for the first triangle, that is 5. So base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. So let this triangle is triangle ABC and let another triangle is triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR we are taking the base, that is B2 is equal to what? 10, and the height of the second triangle is given 6. So these are the symbols B1, H1, B2, H2. They are the symbols for base, height, base, height. Okay, for the first triangle we are using notations B1, H1. For the second triangle we are using the symbols B2, H2. Okay, so let us go ahead. That is, we know the formula. They told the question is there, find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So ratio means division. That is, one triangle means area of one triangle divided by area of another triangle. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. So base is different, height is different. So what formula we can use here? That is B1 multiplied by H1 is divided by B2 multiplied by H2. So B1 is different, H1 is different, B2 is different, H2 is different. So bases are different, heights are different. That time we are using this formula. Then just below is equal to sign, is equal to sign, put down the values. B1 means 9, multiplication sign as it is, H1 means 5, B2 means 10, multiplication as it is, H2 means 6. And if you simplify this, the final answer will come as 3 upon 4. How to simplify this? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then we'll get 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So 3 upon 4 is the answer for the first question. Let us see the second example. The triangle, two triangles are given here, and this is a common base for these two triangles. So what is given here? In figure, BC is perpendicular to AB. So we have to read the symbols. Okay, so BC is perpendicular. This symbol is known as perpendicular. BC perpendicular to AB. So look here, BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. So AD is perpendicular to AB. So that is called as height. So BC is one height and AD is another height. So AB is a common base for the triangle. So if you cut the triangle from here, so we will get two triangles. We will get two triangles with the common base, that is AB. AB will be the common base, and the height of this triangle is different and the height of this triangle is different. So with the formula, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half of are going to be cancelled. Then base, common base is also going to be cancelled. Then what remains? Only height remains. So that should become in your mind that which formula to use here. Then what we have to find out? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. That is the question. So this is a depending on the ratio of areas of two triangles. So the concept is very clear from the question, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. Okay, so look here how to solve the part here, that is in triangle ABC and triangle ADB. So what is the common here? The base AB is common. The base AB is common. We have seen that. Then directly we can write down the formula. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to what? This is the height of first triangle and this is the height of another triangle. Half and half cancelled, common base is cancelled, then only remains height. So the BC is 4 and AD is 8. Then 4 upon 8, the simplest form is 1 upon 2. So this is the answer for this. That is, what is the question? Find this. Then the answer of this we got 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is a final answer for this. So students, I hope you understood the first two examples from practice set 1.1. Thank you.